hands, everybody, and everybody just clap your hands.
Come to Supercar, where you can see some badass cars and a few boats.
Another author from Palm Beach.
I remember from Bagley Mishko.
Exactly.
Called The Racing Heart. Now, Ava, what a life you've lived. Supermodel, Le Mans, married very wealthy, very famous men. There's lots of stories in this. Now, can you tell me just a little bit about some of the more salacious parts of this book?
Oh, I can't tell you all about it. You have to read it.
Well,
you have to read it.
Now, this is available on Amazon.
Oh, yes, indeed, yes.
And where else? Also in Palm Beach as well.
Yes, at the Classic Bookstore, the bookstore on Royal Poinciana Way. But most importantly, it is available right here.
Right here tonight. And it'll be at Supercar Super Show, January 22nd on the waterfront, Flagler Drive. Don't miss it. Now, the Racing Heart figures to be at the racing events all week long. It's the Supercar Week in Palm Beach, and it's not to be missed. Isn't that right, Ava?
Only in Palm Beach, kids. Only in Palm Beach. Oh, yes.
This Wednesday night, and especially Sunday night down on the West Palm Beach waterfront. Thank you again for coming. We look forward to seeing you throughout the week, and hopefully another event here at Palm Beach International Raceway. Thank you, and have a great evening.
Thank you, Ken.
That guy right there?
Clap your hands, everybody, and everybody just clap your hands.
The Racing Heart by feature writer and former columnist Ava Roosevelt is destined to be one of the New York Times best-selling books of the year. Ava takes us into the thrilling world of 24 Hours of Le Mans, the most prestigious auto race in the world, passion-filled romance, and international terrorist intrigue. The Racing Heart is available on Amazon.com, Nook, and Kindle. Visit theracinghheart.com.